All right, what's going on, guys? So I want to go over a quick Google trick that I use to decrease my CPAs by 40%. Drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions about Google Ads. So this is one of the accounts that I'm working on. This is for a DMV in California. They do basically dealer license, vehicle dealer licenses for people who want to, like sell used cars, go to dealer auctions, and basically just make money. That's literally it. You can also use these licenses for your own family's cars, so you can basically like deflect DMV fees and taxes. Not insurance, taxes and fees from DMVs and like state fees on the car. So with most campaigns, like you'll pick, multiple keywords that are very like narrow. So the client was originally running ads that were very exact matches or phrase matches, which means that basically he's only targeting people who are searching that word and that word only, or an exact match or a phrase match, not a broad match. A broad match is basically saying like, hey, if they search dealership license, it can find words just like it. So that's why they call it broad. If it's a phrase match or an exact match, it means that they have to search that exact phrase, or that phrase has to match within a longer phrase. I do things a little bit differently just because I don't want to spread myself too narrow. And he's getting about $80 to $85 CPAs. So keep that in mind when I show you what I do. My biggest thing is no matter what niche you're in, as long as it's been proven enough to be scalable, you're going to have enough. There's enough money to go around. So you never have to worry about like, oh, is this like too narrow to the point where I shouldn't be doing so much broad? And right now, like Google's telling me that I'm limited by budget because they know my scalability because of the results I'm already getting. So within my campaign, I do at least 100 keywords. Now, obviously there's ones that I'll wean out. Like for example, online car dealers, it's probably not the best broad match to use. Online used cars, probably not the best because they could be looking at car gurus, other things like that. I will use 100 different keywords, and as you can see here, I have some here that are getting 96-cent conversion, $7 conversion, $2, $2, $2, $8. Now, why is that? Because I'm using broad match. I'm basically using any word under the sun by using competitors, putting in the links of competitors' landing pages, competitors' ads, their landers. I'm using broad matches and then using relevant keywords. I'm not doing exact or phrase matches. I'm only doing broad. Broad allows it to be more scalable just because like if there could be someone who's looking for that thing, but they're also searching something else. And in one of my next videos, I'm going to show you another Google ad account that I kind of do the same thing, but it's a small trick where I take like one word from, we'll get into that. But so now with this being said, like I have the same ad groups made, same ads, same text, same descriptions. The target CPAs are under what he's currently getting. But right now I have this one getting $16 a conversion, $27, and this one's getting $67. This one has 0. So I'm going to be looking over that over the next couple days. Cost per click is a lot lower, so it allows more data to go into the, to the Google ads themselves. And then if I want to retarget and do like all visitors, that's going to make a lot of money. And because of this, if we go to the overview, I'm getting about $47 a conversion. And I can also move unused budgets to optimize my score. Now, these optimization scores don't really matter much, but the fact that just by using broad targeting, I'm getting cheaper cost per click, cheaper cost per conversion allows us to scale, find new buyers, and tap into probably an extra 20 to 40% of people in California who are searching other keywords that basically never saw these. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thanks.